Right now, at the top of the hour, we turn first to the firefight in Wears Valley. At last check, that fire is now 85% contained, up from 30% this time yesterday. Black Hawk helicopters with the Tennessee Army National Guard making water drops for a second day. Each of those buckets can hold roughly 600 gallons of water, and helicopters can make roughly 20 drops an hour. They are key to saving homes and knocking down the head of the fire. And tonight we have team coverage of two major wildfires burning in Sevier County. 10 News reporter Cole Sullivan is in Wears Valley and Vinay Simlot near Seymour. First, though, we learned late today the fire in Seymour is 25% contained. In Wears Valley, the Hatcher Mountain fire is 85% contained. Investigators still working to find the official cause of that fire on Hatcher Mountain.
The TBI agents, alongside the Tennessee Department of Agricultural Crime Unit and the Sevier County Sheriff's Office, are investigating the cause and origin of the Hatcher Mountain fire. So we don't have any information on that right now because they're in the process of that investigation.
For the very latest now, we turn to 10 News reporter Cole Sullivan from the command post in Wears Valley. You're hearing some encouraging news, Cole.
John just spoke with some damage assessment teams off of Hatcher Mountain. They say that they're evaluating the damage from this fire, the Wears Valley, Hatcher Mountain, Indigo Lane fire, all the one fire complex. They say from the epicenter of that fire, they saw something eerily similar to what they saw in 2016. One home that's completely fine, one cabin that's completely fine, and then another that's burned to the ground. The encouraging news, though, more homes appear to be undamaged than those that are destroyed, even as fire officials say containment levels continue to grow. Even as incident commanders say fire containment continues to grow, crews battle new flames along Wears Valley Road. This is a hot spot, the type of fire it may take days to completely eliminate.
As things go now, the fire in Indigo is looking very good. I'm hoping possibly for a transition sometime this weekend.
A transition from forestry oversight to county command will signal the start of a return to normal.
We're at the very beginning of trying to begin the recovery process.
Sevier County Emergency Management Director Joe Ayers says damage assessment crews began work Friday.
Our plan will be to go out and assess the area to make sure it's safe for these individuals to go out to make this assessment. And then our crews will go out and evaluate each house to identify a certain level of damage.
These photos from the Walden's Creek Volunteer Fire Department show pockets of devastation. Burned cars, smoldering porticos, and homes identified only by their foundations. Amid the destruction, positive news from the county mayor.
We have accounted for everyone, and there are no fatalities.
As evacuation zones shrink and cleanup begins, state support arrives for people who lost everything.
To help them as they navigate all of the things that have to be done when you lose your home to a fire.
And those state crews are from the Department of Commerce and Insurance. They're here to help folks as they begin the process of dealing with cleaning up from this devastating fire.